might go hit the tower. I don't know. Should I do that?
What tower?
Yeah. See what I can see. Oh, I thought you were in me. Like, oh shit.
How would an enemy get up here and then not be spotted?
No, like, cause last time I came here, this was all enemy occupied.
Oh yeah.
So I'm.
Yeah, there's two.
Yeah, we got a friendly at the yoga fort. So. Is that gas or spring? No, I just wondered. I'm gonna get down because someone else. I'm gonna get down from here. This is. Go, go. Go.
Come on, dude. Why are you in the same spot that I'm in? Does that make sense?
No, not really.
Watch this side.
Okay. Is he in the red fort? I wonder if I can. Can I make it over the satellite fort? I don't know. Doesn't hurt to try. They can cover me. Oh shit. Where? Is he in the bushes? How close? Shoot him! I can't see him, so. Aaron! Aaron! Crossing to you! Fill him up first. There we go, Jimmy. Here, don't fire upside down, man. Oh, okay. Is there a guy in the woods? Yep. Oh, shit. Got a guy in the woods!
Left side!
Dad.
Left side tree line!
Let's make sure he's not hit. See him? You just keep him. Make sure you don't hit me. Do you see him? I'm gonna go hit the satellite fort. We got a guy in the woods on our left side. Dad, watch right there. There's one in the tree line. We saw one guy, I swear I might have hit him, but like I can't be sure that I hit him because it was through the tree line bushes. Just my pistol. I did have a feeling. Why, what's up with your gun? Let me see it. That's probably why. The hop up. If the hop up gets too far up, the air still gets really crappy. Let me see it. I might be able to fix it. Not even shoot now. Oh, there. Yeah, I just have to. It could be the hop up problem. Probably a screwed up pop up. You can't yet? No, no.
Dead man walking!
Here, go fast. Hit, God. If I were you, I'd get to that fort where Aaron is, since you don't have so much RAM. Oh, okay. Oh, I see him. I see him. Hey, I got that guy. I can get him. If you watch that side for me, I can get him. .1. It sucks balls with the 9.6. Oh shit. Dude, I almost shot you. You can shoot that. Do you know where he is? Just wait till he pops up. Cover that side. He's in a space opening, so you can get him. He's like in between like a pallet on the side. He's on the very left side. Like you can. He called that hit when I nailed him. I could probably fix your hop up. I could take a look at it after the game. Like I'm a tech, so I can do it. Probably. I don't see where he is now. Now he's looking through an opening. Now he's kind of sticking his gun barrel out. Jimmy, is he still in the woods? Are they in the woods? Stay there, don't fall back, or never mind. You can watch him. Because I'm not used to banging. I can't, I'm not used to it because we played Zombie last and that kind of got rid of my bang bang. I never really played with, I couldn't play with this gun because it shot too high. And then somehow at the Milsim event, miraculously it shot 370. Got him. Yes! I got a guy all the way down there. Or did I? Is that a LiPo? What battery? What kind? This thing's too slow. Put a new motor. You probably need a new motor in that thing. I'd put a new motor in that thing if I were you. This thing runs this thing ran the whole Milsim event except at the really, really end. When we went to the Culvert Fort. They're pretty far in the woods. I might have got one. I don't know. Is Aaron right there?
No, the other guy in the blue shirt.
There's some guys pretty far down in the woods. Jimmy, put your eyes back on. Or your mask back on. Hit! You got me. Where's our spawn? Is it there? it's not very good. Like, it needs a new nozzle, so it doesn't feed that good. That's why I'm trying to sell it. Jimmy, put your eye protection back on. What? Just put your eye protection back on, or else you can get kicked out. Dad, he's in the tower right above you. And watch that tower up there. Hey! Hey, you guys, watch that tower! Those guys are friendly up there. Oh, never mind. Watch that, Dad! Watch that tower up there! Jimmy, be quiet. No, not you. Jimmy, just keep an eye on that tower. Go get him. Go get in the woods. Where's Aaron? What is what? I know. Jimmy, watch there. I got this side. I need fucking move. Dude, there's a guy in the kill house. He just ran up and killed everyone. In the kill house, he just ran through it. We need to move. He has the tan M4.